G'day guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to make a simple peanut sauce today. Now what I've got here is a can of coconut milk. Now I'm going to bring this to the simmer. I'm doing a Marcel with my hands. Let's get into it. Okay, once the coconut milk's up to the simmer, I'm going to add some Massimum curry paste. It's a little bit sweeter. You can use red Thai curry paste if you want. About a tablespoon, maybe a little bit more. And we'll put our next ingredient. Okay, now the curry paste is incorporated with the milk. I'm going to put some ketchup manis, which is Indonesian sweet soy sauce. Now you can substitute brown sugar if you want, but this is okay. About a tablespoon will do. Now I was at my sister's place yesterday, and she made her own peanut butter. So this is the reason why I'm doing this recipe. I just roasted some peanuts in the oven, blended them with some olive oil, and voila, as you can see. Now I'm going to add maybe, it depends how thick you want it, tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, it's up to you. If you want it thinner, add more coconut milk. Now we'll simmer this for about 10 minutes, no longer, and just adjust the seasoning as you go. And there you have it, my friends. Just for this recipe's sake, I cooked up some fries. You can have this with lamb, chicken, beef. You know, if you're doing some skewers, you can make up a satay sauce, which I will do with a vegetable. With vegetables, I'll make a satay vegetables because I've got plenty of sauce left over, and my fingers there are doing the talking, but I'm doing a voiceover. So I've got some chili on there for garnish. Got a couple of lime wedges, which I actually put in the sauce itself. Like, comment, subscribe. Simple recipe. See you later.